What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill. We're going to head inside, see what we could find to sell on eBay and Amazon. It is kind of late at night. Well, not super late. It's just really dark. It is about 6 p.m., I believe. So I guess it's not horrible, but we are going to head inside. 6 p.m. is kind of a bad time to go because that's when everybody gets out of work at 5 o'clock, gets here by 5:15, 5:30, buys out the whole store. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just kind of talking. I really don't know. We're going to go inside, see if we can find some cool things. I mean, you never know what you're going to come across. It's an adventure every time. Alright, so we are inside of the Goodwill, and I'm going to head over to the glass case. That's usually where the higher dollar items are, and that's just where I like to look first. This glass case wasn't looking so high dollar to me. There's a knockoff tablet in there, a bunch of Target clearance items, some antennas from Target. Really, nothing good. Some old phone cases, some old charging cables. Probably nothing I'd make a lot of money on. I just noticed a Sirius XM radio in the box down there. That could have been good, but I didn't notice it while I was in there. Here are all the CDs and DVDs, and again, I am noticing no video games. All of the Goodwills around Connecticut started selling them online, I believe. So, yeah, probably never going to find video games again. It is what it is. It's alright. There's always other things to find. So let's look around. Let's go digging. I'm sure I will come across some really cool things. And heading over to the electronics section, seeing if they have anything here. She's kind of blocking my way, so we're going to take a little detour and see what we come across. I'm looking at some DVD players, some VCR DVD combos can be worth great money. Go Video is actually a pretty decent brand to keep an eye out for. I actually have so many of these at the house I need to test and ship off, so I'm actually leaving them all behind now. These things can be a pain to test and ship. Pretty decent amount of them end up not working, and they are very expensive and heavy to ship. But look at this price, $25. It wouldn't matter anyways. That is insane. There's no remote, no AV cables, but this is much better. This Panasonic for $8. This type of Panasonic used to sell all the time on eBay for $60 to $80. It's come down a bit. You can still sell them on Amazon for a good amount. Now, here's something cool. It's a brand new Sunbeam hot water maker, but the box is a little dinged up. So you'd have to sell it as used like new, boxware, something like that. At $8, that is a solid score. We will be sending that into Amazon and hopefully having that sell pretty soon. It was brand new inside the box. I did open it up and check it. It's just the box had some damage, probably from shuffling around Goodwill back rooms. Now, I used to buy and sell snow globes all the time. This one is from Lord & Taylor, but normally I find the ones in New York City, Times Square. Those ones can go for great money. This one is Boston Harbor underneath the city of Boston, I found out. So this is pretty cool. It plays music. It's $3. That is a score. There are none like it on eBay, and none have sold on eBay in the past 90 days or so from what I can see. But same Lord & Taylor, different cities, can sell anywhere between $20 and $30. I think I'm going to price it high because Boston is such an iconic city. There has never been one like it, and it is in mint condition. So pretty cool. Maybe $40, $50. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw best offer on there. I always just like to mess around sometimes. Here we go. Pass the Pig. Great game. Not worth anything. Only sells for about $10 online. They wanted $3 for it used. But this game was so much fun, guys. If you have never played it, pick it up for yourselves. It is so fun. I used to play it a lot when I was younger. It's super simple to play, and I loved seeing that here. It made me happy. Here's the toy section at this thrift store. Yeah, it's looking a little bare. So now I'm getting a little nervous. There's no video games anymore, so there goes one big section of things I like to look for. The toys are actually looking kind of empty. And let's take a quick look at the clothing, maybe. I don't know. I'm not really trying to look for clothing, but if I could find good things like Patagonia or Vineyard Vines or Untuckit, some really good brands, and if I could find them for under $5, yeah, that's a no-brainer. I'm going to pick it up because those things sell so fast. Here's a cool Brooks Brothers shirt, a sports shirt, but $10? No. So now the clothing's a little high priced. This thrift store is not looking great. They do have this 50% off green and blue tag today, though, so that does help. This is green, so $5. All right, that's a little more enticing, but I'm still going to leave it behind. Not good enough for me. Brooks Brothers is a brand that does still sell. you might be able to get 20 bucks for it. That's not the kind of stuff I'm looking for. I'm looking for $30, $40 shirts. And of course, I do come across them pretty often. But here we are in the car now. We got 2 items. We got this Sunbeam $8 hot water maker thing. Not bad, honestly. $8 for this. I'm going to make a little bit of money. You guys will see on the screen. I don't know why I'm filming this section of my car. So yeah, not bad with this. And then the snow globe, really cool. I didn't know what city it was at the time, so I posted it on my Instagram page, and somebody so graciously let me know it was Boston. And it was super helpful, but you can see how clean it is. Always check these things for chips and nicks. There's a lot of little details in there in the stones and in the harbor with all the boats underneath. So I try to do my best to make sure it actually is in mint condition, because you don't want to sell something with chips or cracks in it online. You're just not going to get the most bang for your buck. So I'm really happy about that. Let's see what we find at the next thrift store. All right, guys, we are home now. It is very dark and very cold, but I stopped by one more place because I know that Goodwill wasn't crazy. Guys, I hit the jackpot, okay? You guys will see all the prices on all of these games in here. All the prices should be on them somewhere. I think on the back. So there's a few more toys in there. I hit the jackpot at the last thrift store. It's just like a little local one, I think. So, what am I caught on? Oh, I'm caught on my seatbelt. No. There we go. Cool. They gave me this huge pre-mark bag because in Connecticut, you can't have plastic bags anymore. So you need to use reusable bags everywhere you go. So that's why I was happy when they gave me the pre-mark bag. I got this and that. And then I went thrifting earlier today. You guys will see all these probably by now in other videos. But of course I have all my reusable bags in the car, and we try and save all of our bags. But this video, I have to show you, like all that dog hair. Every time Soph comes in the car, I have to vacuum it before other people sit in the back seat because she sheds like a mongrel. Okay, let me grab this so I could go over all the toys I got, and we can get out of the freezing cold. So let's walk inside and let's see. This is where I keep all my bags. They're all hanging here next to the light in the garage door thing. We got a bunch of them. Reusables, papers. I keep the other reusables hanging on here, but I was using them today. So good. And then they're all filled with other bags. So I probably should recycle a few of these paper ones because I don't need them all. But we got a bunch of stuff here. This bin right here, things I need to donate to Goodwill. I brought an umbrella because it's winter outside, so umbrella's inside, but this needs to get donated to Goodwill. It's just a bunch of random stuff that either isn't worth it to sell online, or that's about it. It's just not worth it to sell online. I have a pair of these Under Armour shoes. I mean, I guess I could sell them online, but they're not in the best condition. They're a kid's size. Look at the side right there. The toe is like peeling. I don't know. The other one's in a little worse condition. It's actually in the trunk of the car. And then this Donkey Kong plush, he's not even on Amazon. I looked him up on eBay. He sells for like $8 shipped. And I mean, I guess I could ship him off, but he'd cost me about $4 or $5 to ship plus fees. I'd only make a couple dollars on him. Some kid will be happy to have it for Christmas. So that's kind of what I figured with this stuff. I'll donate it. This stuff is what we picked up. It is absolutely freezing. So let's go through some of it. All right. Well, first things first, we have this massive thing right here. Let me actually turn the light off on my camera. All right, here we go. This is called Rocket Fishing Rod. As seen on TV, kind of interesting. I paid $7.50 for this. It sells after fees for about $35. So definitely something cool. Shipping is going to be kind of a pain because of how big it is, but I don't really mind so much. So there's the first item. The next item we have here is Scrabble Alphabet Scoop. Never seen it before. It's brand new in there. I paid $9.50 for this one. And yeah, it's actually going for like $65. A really, really cool. It must be discontinued. It must be something kind of old. It should say the year somewhere on here on the back. Yeah, there it is. 2009. So definitely older. I'm happy about that. That's a good find. This guy right here, this is a brand new Nickelodeon Blaze truck. Brand new in the box. There is a little bit of box damage right here. That's supposed to be kind of connected, the cardboard, but got a little rip, but it's nothing. It's not like it's the end of the world on that. I paid, what did I pay for this? There it is, $8.50, so not too bad. I'll probably make about $10 or $15 on this after fees. Pretty sweet. All right, next we have a model car, and I actually never sell model cars, but this one was just a good deal. Richard Petty Dodge Dart. This thing's sweet looking. It was only $4.50. Sells on Amazon. Really high rank. I think the price is too high. I think it was like $60. So I think if I bring it down to $30 or $40, it should sell before Christmas. So definitely a cool find. We also have Gravity Maze. Think fun. This one was going for really good money. $7.50. I think I'll make $20 or $30 on this. I think. I could be wrong, but still, it's going to be money either which way. So lots of good board games, lots of good toys at this thrift store. I did very, very well. I wish I filmed inside, but they were closing at 8. I got there at like 7:30, so I was kind of rushing. Lookout Butterfly, 200-piece jigsaw puzzle. There it is, $2.50 I paid on this, and I'll only profit about $5 or $6, but still, it's a pretty good rank, so it's a no-brainer. It's an easy flip. We have a brand new toy here, Magic Gin. Animals. It's nice when everything's brand new, and you could tell it's brand new. It still has its little thing around its neck right there. The tape is still on the box, so it is brand new. I was kind of concerned because there's this hole right here that's kind of exposed. But I think that's so you could test the toy and like press its head. But I think the batteries are dead on it. Oh, not included. That's why. Power up with batteries not included. So that's why it's not working. So that makes sense. Okay. Then why would this be exposed up here? Maybe so you could touch it. If it's missing the plastic there, that's not good. But we'll see. We got Pick Twist. I paid $6.50 for it. See, sometimes they cover the barcode, so that kind of stinks. So I have to type everything in manually. Oh, it's Pick Wits. Sorry, Pick Wits. Use your wit to make the caption fit. I'll make a little bit of money on that. I don't think that was a killer score, but still money to be had. We have Phone Fever. I paid, and the prices are kind of all over the place. This one's $7.50. That one was $6.50. Some of them, like this Magic Gin, was how much? $4.50. So the prices are a little different on everything. This game right here, Jinx, brand new game. $6.50 on that one. Not bad. I'll probably make about $15 or so on that. Another thing I'll make about $10 on is this Project Me Circuit Beats. It was $6.50, so that's about the average price at this place. That's what it seems anyways. And I was talking to the cashier lady, and she said that they just put out all new items this weekend. Today is Monday. She's like, you got here at the perfect time. Nobody's really come in to look at this stuff, so cool. Definitely a good place to swing by. And one more item. The last item is a brand new Power Rangers Mega Constructs. Barcode was crossed out, but I only paid $4.50 for it. This is about a $20 profit. So I killed it at the last place, guys. Absolutely killed it. I'm going to make, right here is definitely over $100. So pretty sweet. I'm very happy about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Hopefully this doesn't crush me. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.